today I'll be making my honey garlic shrimp salad. So let's get started. Okay, so I just zested half of my lemon onto my shrimp. To this, I'm also going to add like 5 cloves of garlic chopped all over my shrimp. I'm gonna add some black pepper all over. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. I'm also going to add some salt and mix this up and let it sit in the refrigerator for a couple minutes while we get everything else together. So while the shrimp is marinating, I'm going to marinate my tomatoes. These are some beautiful heirloom tomatoes that I found in the supermarket. You could definitely use regular. I have some black pepper on there. I'm now going to add some salt, if it'll come out, some fresh basil all up in there, and some thinly sliced white onion. And then you're going to drizzle this whole thing with a little bit of olive oil. You can use coconut oil, whichever oil you have on hand that's available to you. I'm using olive oil. And you're just going to mix this up and let it marinate until we're ready to put the entire salad together. And now for the chickpeas. To it already I have some olive oil and black pepper. I'm going to add a sprinkle of turmeric and some smoked paprika. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You're going to mix this up really well, and we're going to toast this off in a skillet, and it's going to be sort of like the crunch factor in our salad. These are my chickpeas that I have going in a skillet. I'm just going to let these go for about 5 minutes or so, just to crisp them up a bit and so that the spices can toast up. Okay, my skillet is nice and hot. I'm going to pop my shrimp down in here. I have a little oil down in there. You want to keep it moving because you don't want to burn your garlic. You're going to saute this for 5 minutes, and then we're going to start adding the honey. Okay, so this is what my shrimp looks like after 5 minutes. My garlic is not burned and the shrimp is almost done. Then you're going to take your honey and just drizzle it all in there. This is also going to give color to your shrimp and add steam to your skillet, and it's going to finish cooking. I added about a 1/4 cup of honey. Or maybe not even a 1/4 cup, maybe like 3 tablespoons of honey. And you're going to keep moving this around until it becomes nice and golden and sticky. And that's it for the shrimp. See how nice and golden these are. Okay, so now I'm going to put the entire salad together, and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. So this is what the salad looks like. All I did was put some lettuce on the bottom of the plate with the tomatoes, and then I put the shrimp all around right there. You can see the shrimp going all around the lettuce and stuff. I also put the chickpeas, sprinkled it all over in the middle and around the plate also. So I hope you enjoyed watching me make this recipe. I hope you try it, and I'll see you guys next time on my next video. Okay guys, bye.